Hello guys, it's Zax from Dap Games, and today I will be showing you guys how you can make a reload animation with this gun. So you wanna go into your magazine and actually stop by. You guys saw that last time we had this little bug here, but how we can fix this is go into the camera and change this to 1. Go into the reload animation and then make an animation, and then call this reload animation. Like that, reload, and then just put it in there. It should be going in here. Here we have these. I'm gonna drag these two in my animation folder so they will look clean and nice. Alright, so we have this. You wanna press on this, so and then go into transform and then position. This will pretty much just make it for us. So just put in the middle and just get this the whole way down. Whatever, just put it down there as long as you can see it, and then put it back in, and then it will pretty much just make it go up and down. But we're gonna make this 30, which worked good last time. I actually wanna make this don't go that low down there. Yeah, this one should be good. Okay, so this should be good. Alright, there you go. This is good. This is the animation. So there's the animation. I'm gonna do that. So what we want to do now is to go into the animation right here where it says reload, and press on the 3 lines up here. I will zoom into it so you guys can see it, and then press on here, and then press on deblock, and make sure legacy is on. So go back here and then press on normal. And then now you want to do is to go ahead and create a script, C# script. So we're gonna call this reload script. Alright, so now let me put this in the scripts folder, and I'm actually gonna apply all of these. It should already be applied. Yes, it is. Cool. Alright, so now we want to open up the script. Alright, open up. Alright, and then should make a public animator, and then call this reload. And this is like we will tell the script where the animation is and where it should get it from. I'm just gonna copy that. So if input a key, this will be updated in the future when we get like the UI in for the reloading. So and then if the get key down is the key code, which is our R key issue, and then we should do this like that, and then we're gonna do reload dot get component, get component, and then we want to type in, oh, it didn't do it for us. And then we're gonna do dot play. Let me first do this. Already good as an animator, and then we're gonna do dot play. Play. Maybe we want to do it like this, and then dot play. Yeah, and then we just gonna end it off like that. So I don't know why we're getting error. So it turned out that I needed to put one extra in behind it. I needed to read it again. So I just animation instead of animator also, which I kind of understand, but why not just put the same thing in there? We just kind of stupid. Alright, so put this in the Game Master, and you can see that we have this magazine, and then we have our magazine. This should play our animation. So it will actually say that we don't have animation in there. You're just gonna drag in this. If it don't put anything, just add in the animation like that, the object, and then just do this, and then turn that play automatically off. This should work now pretty flawlessly. As you can see, if I keep spamming the button, it won't do shit. So it will just do it until the animation is finished, so which is good. As you can see, it now works flawlessly. The gun aiming is also pretty good. So yeah, it looks pretty good in my opinion. So I made a crosshair right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're gonna drag it into Unity just like this. Of course, you don't want to put it there, so you just put it in the assets folder. And make sure you press on it, and then go just and then make it to the UI. And then press the sprite editor. Just go into it and make sure it has a white background, because it gives you a white background when you do that. It's a bug, but they should fix. So go into your UI and then canvas. So and then go in and put in a raw image, or just say image actually, image, and then make sure everything is on 0. And then in here you wanna where the crosshair here, and then just put the sprite in there. So and then turn off raycast target as well, and make sure this is pixel perfect, and then it scales with everything. So if we go into game, I know it was pretty large, but you can change this by the image. So you can do 30 by 30 maybe, 30, or maybe 20 or 10 by 10, which should be a pretty good size. And you can, no, okay, that's too small. 50 by 15. Yeah, I think you can also change the color. No, you can't. Yeah, you can actually. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can also change the color. I'm gonna make it bluish. But as you can see, it's kind of also dark. If we zoom into the picture right now, this is how it will look like. It's because we use a dark color. But if you go ahead and make this white, it'll be a bit more brighter. So you could just change the color with no problem. Alright, so that's the thing. As you can see, we have this on while we're aiming. We can actually turn this on also, which I will show in the next video. So stay tuned to the next video, and I will see you guys right there.